Today, we're diving into something tangy and super exciting, a color reveal that's appealing on a whole new level. But before we do, I've got a little challenge for you. Can you guess the fabulous paint color that I chose? Drop your guesses in the comments. And bonus points if you come up with something as fun as Cosmic Latte or Fuzzy Duckling. Hey, no cheating and skipping ahead, okay? Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Try not to forget, I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube talks. All right, first things first, let's talk plumbing. Our team has been hard at work making sure water flows smoother than my dance moves at weddings. And trust me, they deserve a gold medal for navigating pipes faster than a plumber at a Super Mario convention. You know what they say, nothing's more comforting than the sound of properly flowing water in a home. Except for maybe the sound of pizza delivery. Next, we're participating in a little cleanup adventure from a lot of drywall mess. And we definitely know how long that takes to clean up. As you can see, it's all over the floor. Very, very messy. And next, we transition to our drywall wonderland again. They say, writing on the walls is childish. I say it's visionary. Each sheet of drywall is like a blank canvas, just waiting for that splash of color, creativity, and perhaps that smile that everyone loves. They're smoothing out those walls to perfection, so smooth that I think butter would definitely be jealous. Just imagine all the statement art waiting to make these spaces sing. The crew is always hard at work. I don't ever see them stopping. The only time I think I see them stopping is for a lunch break, and he doesn't even know I'm watching. The crew kind of reminds me of the Energizer Bunny. They just keep going and going and going without stopping, unless they run out of like mud and tape or something. That would be a tragedy. Come on in, onwards to the bathroom. Let me show you the platform. This is where the tub is gonna sit. Well, it'll be a little more back, but basically it'll sit there. And we built the platform so that the drain can actually have a place to go, because the only other option would be to drill the concrete floor, and we weren't looking forward to that. And also, I did want to show you the floor as well. As you can see, it's just concrete right now, right? Well, just wait for it. One more second, here it comes. What do you think? It's river rock. Check it out. It's where the starry stone feature of the master suite is turning heads. This is a river rock floor. It's like having a massage built right into your house. Isn't it awesome? In the realm of vanities, I have to tell you, we hit a bit of a snag, or should I say a flipper plot twist. The coveted double vanity took a rain check on us, but in the land of flips, improvisation is our middle name, right? Thanks to Facebook Marketplace, we've located a substitute with tons of character. Basically, a celebrity understudy ready to shine, so stay tuned for the big reveal. Before the grand color reveal, check out our team in action as they caulk the siding with precision. They're making sure they're doing it all around the windows and getting all those edges and covering up all those nail holes, so that way the paint will be nice and pretty and everything will be sealed up tight. Then it's time to mask the windows like they're preparing for a sci-fi facial. Why mask the windows, you ask? Well, transparency can be hard unless you have a good therapist, or in our case, a roll of plastic sheeting. We're talking smooth moves and steady hands here. Are you getting excited yet? Well, I am. I cannot wait to see this color on the house. I think it's going to be great. I'm so excited to show you. Are you ready? Here it comes. The moment you've been waiting for. Behold, the orange fruit exterior. At least that's what they called it on the bucket anyway. Yes, indeed. We've turned up the zest factor to like 11. What do you think? We're bringing in the sunshine, one fruity facade at a time. Well, it's still a little wet, so I know what you're thinking. It looks a little uneven at the moment, but just wait. I'll show you when it's dry. Well, at least mostly dry anyway. For now, I'm showing you the process. So it's partially painted at the moment, and it's still wet. So give it a chance. I think you might like the end result. I bet you might be just a little curious how I chose this color. Well, I think you might find it a little funny, perhaps, but I got the idea from the Yeti cooler. It's like Crab King orange or something, but it's so fabulous and bright. I love the color. So I thought it'd be fun to put it on the house. What do you think? Was it a bad idea? I don't know about you, but the more that I see this color on the house, the more I'm falling in love with it. Now that the paint is a little more dry, I'm going to walk you around the whole house. It's a bold statement that practically says, I'm fun, I'm fabulous, and I'm ready to host an epic barbecue. So I want you to really tell me what you think. And don't hold back, please. After all, opinions are like houseplants. Everyone's got a house full of those, right? One thing's for sure, you can't miss this beauty, not even from a block away, because it's so bright and bold and beautiful. I think it might be a good idea that we put on a second coat. Well, we'll give it a day or two and see what happens. This side still needs some time to dry, so be forgiving. I have to say that I'm so wowed by how this turned out. So tell me, did you guess the color of the house? I probably wouldn't have guessed the color myself, so don't feel bad if you were a little off. What color would you have picked if you were painting this house? I just can't stop staring at it. It's so gorgeous. Thanks for sticking around as I navigate the wild waters of house flipping. Remember, each flip is a leap of faith, a splash of color, and often a dash of the unexpected. If you missed out on my last update, well, that's okay. Just click to your left and I will see you there.